Well, hello there. Welcome to another break here from Bounty Hunter Breaks. This is Boba Fett me, and today I'm doing Series 1 2022 Topps Baseball. So, kind of set everything down. I just wanted to get the box mostly in the image for the start, just in case. But yeah, so I finally broke down and bought a box of Series 1. I was looking for blasters or anything else for retail out there and just couldn't find anything. I see Target has some available on their website for purchase now. So I went to my LCS this morning looking to see if they had any OPG. He did not. So they did have a fresh case of 2022, so grabbed a single box. He did not have any jumbos. All he had was hobby. So here we go. Most of anybody watching has seen many breaks of 2022. Dang it. 2022 Series 1 already, so you know what's out there. You know what everybody's chasing is Wander. I didn't really want it for Wander. I'm more interested in Jarren Duran for Boston. But we'll get into it here. Should be 24 packs, if I remember. Yeah, if memory serves me correct. And then, of course, in the hobby box, you do not get the box topper, and you only get one silver pack. But you do get a little bit better chance of color and stuff, and I want to say in a hobby box. So we'll hop right into it. See what we get. My understanding, too, is that just like they did for Series 2 and Update last year, the backs of the cards are flipped in some cases. I'm not sure where I would see it, but so far these are all going the same direction. But we'll just get into it here. So we'll just kind of go through. There's a rookie, and that's the only thing I don't like about Series 1 this year is the size of the rookie card logo is much smaller than they normally are. But there's a Lucas Gill rookie. And another rookie, Alex Wells. But yeah, production definitely is greater this year than in previous years. But still, as long as it's only flagship that they increase and not all products across the board, it's not a bad thing because at least it makes it. We got the Generation Next Eloy Jimenez, a Zach Pop rookie, but it makes it more accessible to kids trying to get into the hobby. So I'm all for that if that's the intent, to increase production to get it in more collectors' hands to start out with, and then like I say, you make other products less mass-produced. Trevor Rogers Rookie Cup, Killer Off Future Stars. You got the whole upside down, right side up thing going here. Kyle Muller rookie for Atlanta. That's kind of a cool one. What do you call it? The city. I'm trying to remember what they referred to that as, because Boston had the yellow and blue, powder blue jerseys that they had for the what do you call it, for tribute to the city. Josiah Gray rookie card, formerly of the Dodgers, part of that trade last fall for Scherzer and Trey Turner. A Nolan Arenado 87. And some landscape cards. I don't know if you would get a full 330, the full set of Series 1 out of a hobby box. I know you typically would out of a jumbo. Connor Wong, rookie for Boston. Jackson Reitz, rookie for the Nationals. Looks like we got a silver coming up here, foil. Another rookie for the Phillies, Luke Williams. Jake Rogers, Kyle Gibson, Patrick Wisdom. Not numbered on the silver foil. Kalenic, Future Stars. Slam Diego returns. And another rookie. This time a horizontal rookie, Anthony Bender. Looked like he was formerly on, looks like Royals. Drafted Royals, yep. Got a die cut. Trout, Donaldson. Max Kranick, rookie for the Pirates. Barrios. Reggie Jackson. I forget what they refer to it as. Diamond Greats. Yeah, looks like Diamond Greats. Logan Gilbert, Future Star. And Tony Kemp Matrix. Andre Jackson, rookie for the Dodgers. Patrick Mazeika, rookie for the Mets. Chad Pinder, Jake Cousins, rookie for the, what do we got here? It's backwards. Greg Maddux, 69 of 299. Must be the black parallel, I believe. So the first numbered card. Didi Gregorius. And chances are we'll not get an autograph this box. It'll probably be most likely a relic. But certainly wouldn't turn away an autograph if one presented itself. Rizzo, Tatis, and our 87. It's a Byron Buxton. I don't know if that was the only rookie of that pack or not. I might have missed one earlier. But I'll be sorting it later, so. Another insert. Oh, no, it's a relic. Shane Bieber. So, right on cue. Talk about it, and there it is. Shane McClanahan. John Gray. We'll go this way. Tyler McGill, rookie for the Mets. Walk off water. Andrew Miller. Looks like for the Mets. Major League Material, Pete Alonso. Not numbered. So, about what you'd expect from a hobby box there. I think there'll be something in that silver pack. Can always hope. Oh, there he is, Wander Franco, and it's way off center. Gotta love it. Jackson Cower rookie. Soto, Pujols. Welcome to the show, Vlad. Trevor Story. Almost halfway through the box. Mitch Haniger. No rookies. No rookies. No rookies. That pack. Kyle Lewis. Matt Vierling, rookie for the Phillies. Ohtani, card number 1. Jarren Duran, rookie. Jose Ramirez for the Guardians. Jesse Winker, 87. And Drew Ellis, rookie for the Diamondbacks. What does it say? Serpentines? I don't know. Hard to say. Second half. Another rookie, Hoy Park for the Pirates. Zach Thompson, rookie. So far, no number. Well, I have one numbered card. That's right. The insert. Zach Short, rookie for the Tigers. Another rookie here. Another Zach Lothar, rookie. There's a nice Angels one with Trout and Ohtani high-fiving. Tyler Stevenson, rookie cut for the Reds. Another rookie, Mason Thompson. Cedric Mullins. Rodolfo Castro for the Pirates. I want to say Castillo, but it's not. Mike Trout, 2021's greatest hits. Insert. Enrique Hernandez. Bo Bichette. Nice little Bo Bichette in the alternate jersey for the Blue Jays. Little Bobby Dahlbeck, future star. Jake Berger, rookie. Carlos Rodon. There's Hunter Renfroe when he was still with Boston in that Boston Strong. Tyler Gilbert, rookie. A Kalenic silver future star. Silver foil. Detmers. Trying to figure out what that was. The Braves celebrating, because it didn't look like World Series. I didn't see the patches on their uniforms, unless I just missed it. Travis Shaw back with Boston. Tony Santillan, rookie for the Reds. Trey Mancini, 87. Zanino. Jan Gomes on the Athletics. Alec Manoah, Rookie Cup. Future Star. Double Bath. Surprised they didn't use the cart, the home run cart. That was the big thing last year. Keep the focus on it. Unless they're saying Boston's going to do away with it. Of course, question right now is, will there be a season? Let me get something here. Is it numbered or nope? Just one of the 6 4-stars. Correa Altuve for the Astros. So far, just one numbered card in this box. Cal Raleigh, rookie for the Mariners. And Topps, what are you doing? Yastrzemski, SKI, not KSI. And yep, you did it both on front and back. How can you do that? How? Especially when the fact that it's not the first player to have that name. Heck, his grandfather. Come on. Chas McCormick, rookie for the Astros. Jose Iglesias. Nelson Cruz, Sammy Long, rookie for the Giants. And we got a home run challenge. Salvador Perez. Good chance that he will hit a home run if they play. Jackson Cower, rookie for the Royals. 87. Down to the last 4 packs before the silver pack. Will there be another numbered card? Mitch Moreland, former Red Sox. Oh, another rookie, Emmanuel Rivera. Jared Walsh for the Angels. Oh, we got it. Here's our second numbered card, our gold, Eric Hosmer. 1898 of 2022. Come on. Oh, Ernie Clement, rookie for Cleveland. Last 3. Martin Perez, rookie of Stuart Fairchild for Diamondbacks. Welcome to the show of Willie Mays, rookie of Brian De La Cruz. A Brandon Marsh rookie. Not the alt image or SP. Future Star Cabrian. John Lester, now on the Cardinals. The other top Tampa rookie, Vidal Brujan. Andrew Vaughn, Future Stars. Eduardo before he moved on to, was it the Tigers? I think the Tigers signed him, right? Archie Bradley was doing a little high leg kick. Last regular pack. Randy Arozarena. Oh, the whole thing's upside down. Jazz Chisholm Future Star. Don Mattingly, 87. And the last two, finish off with an Aaron Ashby rookie for the Brewers. So you do get a healthy amount of rookies. So here we go. We'll hop right into the silver pack and be done with it. Do we have any color? Does not look like color. So we get a Salvador Perez, Luis Robert, Austin Meadows. I thought when I saw Rays it was going to be good. And then the rookie in this pack. And notice the size of the rookie card emblem on that compared to the regular flagship. Which would you be able to see easier? Wouldn't that have been better served on these? Anyway, just my personal take. And again, no numbered, so pretty lackluster. So yeah, quick recap. That's a home run challenge. So I don't know what the ratio is, but excuse me, seeing what do you call it? Looks like you only get one Generation Now a box, possibly. So this recap of, this single hobby box. You got the gold Eric Hosmer to 2022. You get, looks like, in this particular one, 6 87s, Mattingly, Arenado, Byron Buxton, Jesse Winker, Trey Mancini, and 1 rookie of Jackson Cower. The 6 4-stars for the Astros. You got 2 silvers. Got the Patrick Wisdom Rookie Cup, even though he was actually with the Rangers before going to the Cubs. And then the Jared Kelenic Future Star. Welcome to the show. There was 2 of those. Where is the other one? Somewhere here. Right there. Welcome to the show, Willie Mays and Vlad Guerrero. Got the Jarren Duran rookie, the Wander rookie, the Vidal rookie, the Bobby Dahlbeck Future Stars, our Home Run Challenge, Salvador Perez, the Generation Now, Eloy, the Reggie Jackson, Mike Trout, the Greg Maddux, numbered to 199, or 299, sorry. Welcome to the show. And the hit for the box was the Pete Alonso Major League Material Base Relic. And of course it says the memorabilia contained on this card is not from any specific game, event, or season. So yeah, that concludes this break. Thanks again for watching, and as always, keep collecting.